There's a book that I read many years ago called Your Body's Many Cries for Water. I love the title. This is such a nice title. And then the subtitle is, You're not sick, you're thirsty. Don't treat thirst with medication. And this book was written by a Persian doctor in the days of the revolution. And he was in jail. And so here he was, this doctor in jail with all these other people. And whenever they got sick, he didn't have any medications for them. He couldn't do anything, but he wanted to help them. So the only thing he pretty much had was water. So he gave him a glass of water. Somebody's stomach is hurting, drink a glass of water. And he felt better. And then he got him to drink a little more water, and he still felt better. And then it got him thinking, gee, maybe when we give people pills, the reason they get better is not because of the pill, but because you're always told to drink it, to take the pill with a glass of water. So he thought, how much does water affect your health? And he came to the conclusion after a long time in jail that actually dehydration is the cause of most diseases. And so then he started testing that out, and they were going to let him out of jail. And he said, can you please leave me in jail for another 6 months? I'm in the middle of a study and I want to finish the study. So they let him stay in. This is a crazy story. And then when he got out, he started looking for symptoms of dehydration and wrote this book. And his conclusion is almost everything goes wrong begins with dehydration. Water is 70% of your body, 99% of your molecules, biggest ingredient in your body. The point of making water the most important nutrient is actually a pretty good idea. Sometimes people don't know how to tell between thirst and hunger, so they'll eat when they're actually thirsty. So my recommendation is always, if you feel hungry, drink a glass of water. If you drink a glass of water and you're still hungry, okay, then go and eat something. There's research, if you're 2% dehydrated, you start not feeling good. At 5, your brain doesn't work anymore. And if you get 10% dehydrated, you're dead. So water is super, super, super important in terms of really understanding the importance of it. That's been really neglected. And it's just beginning to get some attention.